Welcome everyone to David Archuleta's Dessert Factory. We're gonna make some crème brûlée with the chef himself.
Hey.
Let's brush it off. Yes. Double brush. One more time. I don't want any negative energy in this kitchen.
Shake it off.
That's right. Speed it up, let's go.
One night and they're singing my praises. 2 shots on the honeymoon phase. It's 3 wood phrases, skipping stages.
Take it off now. Double roll. Take it down and snap it up one more time. He has done a body roll before. Eat your crème brûlée and wipe your mouth. Take it back.
Now you've had a taste of crème brûlée.
And take it off. Double roll.
Speaking words you don't know. Yo te vuelvo loco.
Dust it off.
For you. Won't leave my bedroom. Your serotonin.
We're taking it nice and slow. Speed it up, let's go. Hey! Again! Now take it up, let's go. Oh no!
There goes all of your clothes.
Oh my God!
You threw me off there.
Sorry, David.
What a surprise.
Was I distracting you? Take it down.
That didn't happen in rehearsal.
Eat your crème brûlée and wipe your mouth.
Now you've had a taste of crème brûlée.
Take it up.
Oh no.
Double roll.
Speaking words you don't know.
Snap it high and serve it up. High and low. Again. Everyone in town's getting a taste of your crème brûlée. You're getting a Michelin star, baby. Double roll. Take it down. Snap it up. One more time. I really don't know what else there is to take off at this point, but here we go. Eat your crème brûlée last time. And take it off. Take it down.
Ooh, okay, y'all.
David